As guitar players, we are always looking for the best way to get better, faster on the guitar. And there are loads of them out there. So in this video, I'm going to show you my top 10 ways to get better, faster. Number 10 is timing. Do not worry about working on your timing. That is the drummer's job. Let them do some work for once. And always make sure to practice things very fast, because if you practice things slowly, it's going to take you forever to learn them and get through that in your practice time. Ain't nobody got time for that. Hey, could you play a little bit better? I'm having trouble hearing the time, and that's your job, not mine. Number 9, do not be consistent with your practice. Make sure to only practice once or twice a week, and make sure those practice sessions are ultra long, like 6 or 8 hours. As guitar players, we are so busy and we do not have time to practice 6 or 7 days a week, even if it's only 20 minutes per session. That's super annoying, and it can be a real big waste of your time. Okay.
6 hours later.
Glad I got that done. Practice for the week is finished. Number 8, never, ever, ever learn songs. You're just going to forget them anyway. And when you practice, the only thing you really need to go over are scales, chops, chords, and things like that. And if you do have to learn a song, make sure to just learn the intro. Only the intro. That's the only thing people care about anyways. Number 7, practice scale shapes instead of melody, lines, or phrasing. After all, if you don't know the scale shape, that's where all that other stuff comes from. So what good are the other things if you don't know the scale shape? Oh yeah, man, that's so musical. It's right on. Number 6, always practice through mistakes. If you make a mistake, do not slow down and fix it. That will take way too long to get through. Again, we don't have time for that. So when you're playing through something and you make a mistake, just keep going through it. It will eventually fix itself. And remember, sloppy playing is genuine and heartfelt. Number 5, never play with other people. Make sure to keep to yourself, stay in your room, and get your crap together on your own before you even think about going to play in a band or going to an open mic. That will ensure that you don't look dumb in front of other people. Hey guys.
Hey.
Mind if I get this room for me? I got some work to do.
For what?
I was just gonna do some jamming.
You're welcome to come jam with us if you want.
Why would I want to do that? Number 4, never tune your guitar. It was in tune when you bought it. That's close enough. I don't need this thing. Everyone knows you're only as good as your gear, so always count on your gear to make you better. Having said that, you can always blame your gear when you don't get any better. And of course, if you need some inspiration, just go buy a new piece of gear. Man, this guitar sounds like crap. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. This guitar sounds like crap. And just remember, if you're not getting better, it's not your fault, it's your gears. Number 2, when you're setting your tone up, make sure to crank the gain as much as possible and take all the mids out for that nice, thick tone. And if your tone still sucks, just go buy another true bypass pedal. That'll fix everything. Number 1, and this one is very important, never learn music theory. That will destroy your playing and it will absolutely obliterate your creativity. Dude, what are you doing? I told you about this. This will ruin your playing. Stop it. All right, one more bonus one for you. Don't ever do any ear training. Ear training is for nerds. Don't be a nerd. Stay as far away from that as possible. What are you doing? Stop wasting your time on that crap. You don't need that. And one more final little note for you. Remember, if your playing isn't where you want it to be, don't feel bad. Just make sure to blame someone else. So don't forget to like and subscribe and share your favorite ways to get better faster on the guitar. And oh yeah, April Fool!